First assessment is how will you be able to use it to your advantage at work and at home. And as we've said, it's to be able to send to multiple recipients at the same time, to create different fields, to filter, etc. So what we're going to do now, you can get this all from your learner guide. We're going to now decide on, we're going to be doing formative assessment 2. And to do this, we're going to first get the agenda for a New Year's party, and we're going to specifically be looking at SPCA party. We're then going to formalize the document and finally merge the document following the specific steps that are required to do mail merge. So what I've done is I've opened up a document which I've created called Agenda for Meeting, and I've got, as you can see, specific name, surname, street, and suburb. If you go to your mailings, you'll see that there are merge fields. We're going to now start the mail merge over here, create letter. That seems to be the most appropriate. We then go to select recipients, and we've got an existing list, which I've got. The existing list is, and here we have the database from the access. This is the database file which I'm going to be using. Okay, now that we've got this, I then go to select recipients. This is the existing list that I've got, and you can edit the recipient list, which is now here. You can see here the suburb, street names, everything is in here, numbered nicely, and everything that's required is in here with their details. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to insert the mail fields into here. So the first thing now is we're going to insert the name and the surname. So first of all, name, insert, surname, insert, street, insert, and suburb, insert. And over here, so let's go close here, and we go now to here, and we go insert mail merge, merge field, name, insert, and surname, insert. And now we've got these here, so we're going to now take these out. So I'm going to just delete this, and instead I'm going to put name, surname over here, push that down, street, push that down, and I'm going to center these, go home, go center. I'm going to make it slightly bigger, so I'm going to just increase it in size. There we go. And over here, we're just going to delete this name and this surname, because this is just that, so that now we've got just the merged fields that we want. Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we go back to the mailings, and we're going to now finish the merge. And we're going to say, oh, first of all, we need a space. So I'm going to just put a little space here, and you'll see why. Space. Okay, finish mail merge. We're going to go edit individual documents. All are going to be merged. And now, as you can see, are 30 documents. You can see one of 30, and each one now has got a specific name. Now, as you can see, there wasn't a space between the deer, so we can now increase that space. So that's easy to do as well, because all you do now is you go to mailings, and you can actually then go back to recipients. But I think let's leave it for the moment, otherwise I've got to go through the process again, and I'm going to save this. So let's go to save as. And this is now what we're going to call New Year agenda. Okay, I'm going to save it in here. Okay, so now we've got the first thing. Now going back to the next thing that we need. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this. So here we're going to now look at, so we're back to the formative assessments, and now we're going to design and create an invitation to the actual UN function that we have chosen now in terms of the meeting that we've done for the agenda. Second part of the merge documents, which is the formative assessment 2, second part, we're going to be formalizing the invitation to the New Year's party that I put together. So the invitation looks something like this, which I put together: name, surname, street, suburb, dear name, surname, finalizing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just be putting in, going to mailings first of all, and we're going to just select. You can select from our existing list. Here is a list, the recipient list that we had from before. And so what we'll now do is we'll insert the merge field. We'll put in, just go up to the place that we need, here. So here we go, insert name and surname, and then we go to street. So once you put these merged fields in, you make it look nice. So we just put it like that. We can put it like that. We can make it centered. We can make it bigger. We can change the settings. We can make it like this. And same thing over here. So you can really change it into whatever type of look that you want. Okay, once you've done that, and you're happy with that, you can see that I've put in here as well, attending and assisting in preparation. I'm going to just move this across. Okay. And then we go to finish and merge. Let's go individual documents, all. And here we go. So now we're just going to check and see how it looks. Yes, they're all here. 30 of them, each one with different names in the different formats that we need. And now, of course, don't forget to save it. You always save. And we're going to save this as New Year invitation merged. Okay, we go save. Now we've done that as well.